Hello, I'm going to show people how to use Inkscape. First you're going to do is you're going to go to File, you're going to hit Open, find whatever folder up here that you're going to use. Mine is already where it's at, but you could just follow here and find the folder that you need. Let's pick an image I haven't done yet. Let's do this one. Hit Open, hit OK. You can make this bigger to work with. Make sure always to select the image. Then go to Path. It's right next to Object, between Object and Text. So hit Path, Trace Bitmap. Then you're gonna unselect Smooth, unselect Stacks, hit Remove Background, and hit Live Preview. See? And automatically it's there. How you check? You come here, you grab, and it didn't work for some reason. No, there it is. I forgot to hit OK. So you hit OK. See? And now you just turn this into SVG. Let me zoom down this. You press minus to zoom out the screen. Move that off to the side. Click the original. Right click. Cut. You can exit out of here. Bring the SVG back into the box like so. And if you want to turn it blue, just come down here and you can switch the colors. See? So now it looks the same. Now when you're going to save it, File, Save As, and then name it whatever you want. I'll name this one Duke, which that's what it is. So I'll come up here, select the folder that you want it in. I keep mine pretty much organized as much as I can. You want to come down here where it says Save As Type and do plain SVG. Hit Save. But what I like to also do is I go back to File, Save As, and I also save it again as a put Cairo PNG, and I do another copy. So like that, I can see what it looks like before I select the SVG file, because it's not, it won't show you a picture. So that's what I like to do. And see, pretty much that's it. You're done. Nothing to it. Some images are more complex, like if you want to do like layers and stuff, but I'll do that one in another video. For now, I mean, enjoy. This program is not hard to use. You just gotta get the trick of it, and once you do, it's pretty much easy to do. Hope this helps. Have a good day.